Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today we will learn how to use VLOOKUP. This is one of the most used formulas in Excel, but don't get intimidated because it's a formula, so it's actually quite very easy to use. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, and we use this function to search for things in a table or a range of row in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. For example, we have a data set here with 3 columns: agent, location, and sales. Using VLOOKUP function, we want to know where the agent is located and how much sales he made in that location. Okay, so first we want to make just a simple interface. We have the agent, our location, and our sales. Okay, so let's just try to format this one. Let's just make some borders. All right. Okay, so let's just put some colors. Okay, yellow for the input. The rest we'll just make it gray. And just formatting, guys. So, right. Okay. Okay, so this is a pretty much decent interface. All right. So we want to search for the agent, and what we want is the values of the location and sales. Now we enter the formula equals sign VLOOKUP. Let's see it here. And the lookup value is what you want to look up. In this case, it is F2. Then comma. Now table array is where you want to look for it. In this case, it's our data set. Okay, so that's from A to C, and then comma. Next is the index or the column number. So here we want to search for location, which is the second column. And next is if it's false or true. True is approximate match and false is the exact match. We want the exact match, so choose false, close parenthesis, hit enter, and we're getting this no values available. It's because our agent name is blank. So let us try to enter one name, Harry Jones, and we can now see the location, Los Angeles. All right, so let's try for sales, equal sign, VLOOKUP. Okay, open parenthesis, lookup value is F2, comma, our table array, which is from A to C, comma, our index, which is number 3 for sales, comma, and we want to have the exact match. So false. Close parenthesis, hit enter, and there you go. We now can see the sales value. So let's just try to format it. Great. Here you go, guys. Okay, so let's try to look for another agent, Mary Smith. All right, so we got the correct location and sales. But what if the agent name doesn't match to any of our records? So, of course, it will return a no value is available result. Right, so let's try for this one. Yep, we got the records that we need. So there you go, guys. Just remember the formula, which is equal sign VLOOKUP, what you want to look up, where you want to look for it, the column number or the index in the range containing the value to return, and if you want the approximate, which is true, or the exact match, which is false. And you close that formula. That's it. Hopefully this video helped you understand VLOOKUP formula, and thanks for watching. Bye!